This one is a 1936 Royal Junior. Glossy black, gorgeous machine. Almost flawless. It's not completely flawless, but it's pretty close. It almost feels like this thing belongs in a museum, to be honest with you. Unfortunately it's already sold, but I'm going to show you how to use the functions just because it's kind of a rare, very rare typewriter. Made in the Great Depression, so it lacks some functions like a backspace, a tab. There's no bell when you get to the end of the margin, and it's only got one side margin control. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. It's got a little finger on the left side here with this thing, so you can hold the paper down. The margin is in a good spot, so we're going to start typing. It's kind of fun to type on this. There's no bell to tell you when to stop, so you just gotta watch it, and then you hit the line space and it'll skip one space or two. It's got a single or double space. We're gonna keep it on single, and finish off all the keys. All the keys are flawless. It's just a very nice machine. I'll type a sentence too real quick. So when I type on this machine, it feels like luxury. Like I feel like I'm rich typing on this thing. The print is gorgeous, just like the machine. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. Now, if you flip this switch right here forward, you can pull the paper out with ease. That releases the rollers underneath, and also allows you to load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a ribbon direction control right here, so if you have it pushed in, it'll pull to this side, and if you have it pushed in on this side, it'll pull to this side. All the brand new ribbon is on this side, so we want it to pull to this side. It's pulling to this side, so we're going to push that in so it pulls to this side. See? Now it's pulling to that side. I also sell ribbons on my shop, eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques, and that's it. Gorgeous typewriter, not available. Sorry guys, it's already sold.